Imagine a place where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. A realm so mysterious and powerful, it captivates the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. Welcome to the world of black holes. Hello friends, today we're tackling one of the most mind-bending questions in astronomy. What happens if you step outside a black hole? Black holes are the ultimate cosmic mystery, with gravity so strong that not even light can escape. But what would happen if you were hovering just outside its event horizon? Would you survive? Would time slow down? Or would you witness the universe in ways unimaginable? Stick around, because we're diving deep into the science and mysteries of black holes. Let's start with the basics. A black hole is formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating an object so dense that it warps space and time. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Anything crossing this boundary gets pulled into the singularity at the center. But what happens if you're just outside this boundary, teetering on the edge of one of the most mysterious phenomena in the universe? First, let's talk about gravity. The closer you get to a black hole, the stronger its gravitational pull becomes. If you're standing just outside the event horizon, you'd experience spaghettification. This means your body would be stretched like spaghetti because the gravity near your feet would be much stronger than near your head. Essentially, you'd be pulled apart atom by atom. So stepping outside a black hole isn't exactly a walk in the park, it's more like stepping into cosmic quicksand. But here's where things get even stranger. Time itself behaves differently near a black hole. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time slows down as you approach massive objects like black holes. If you're just outside the event horizon, time for you would slow down compared to someone far away from the black hole. To an observer watching from Earth, it might look like you've frozen in time. Essentially, you'd be living in slow motion while the rest of the universe speeds by. It's like being stuck in a cosmic time warp. Now let's talk about what you'd actually see if you were just outside a black hole. Black holes bend light around them due to their immense gravity, creating something called gravitational lensing. You'd see stars and galaxies warped and stretched into strange shapes as their light bends around the black hole. There's also something called the photon sphere, a region where light orbits the black hole before escaping. If you're close enough, you might see multiple images of stars as their light circles around. It's like looking at the universe through a funhouse mirror, but far more terrifying. Here's another thing to consider. Black holes emit intense radiation due to particles being accelerated near their event horizon. Stephen Hawking theorized that black holes slowly lose mass by emitting radiation called Hawking radiation, but this radiation is incredibly weak and wouldn't harm you directly. The real danger comes from the accretion disk, a swirling ring of superheated gas and debris orbiting the black hole. Temperatures here can reach millions of degrees Celsius. So even if gravity doesn't tear you apart, this radiation would likely vaporize anything that gets too close. Now let's imagine you're just outside the event horizon. Could you escape? Theoretically, yes. If your spacecraft has enough thrust and speed, it could break free from the gravitational pull. But here's the catch. The closer you are to the event horizon, the faster you'd need to travel to escape. Near a black hole, escape velocity exceeds the speed of light, which means nothing can escape once it crosses into the event horizon. So unless your spaceship defies physics itself, stepping outside a black hole is as close as it gets to flirting with cosmic doom. You might be wondering, why study something so dangerous? Well, black holes are key to understanding how our universe works. They teach us about gravity, space-time, and even quantum mechanics. Some scientists believe that studying black holes could help us unlock secrets about parallel universe travel. And who knows, one day we might use their immense energy for interstellar travel, or discover life forms adapted to extreme environments. If this video blew your mind, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow space enthusiasts. And if you want more deep dives into astronomy and cosmic mysteries, subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. And now I want to hear from you. What do you think would happen if someone stepped outside a black hole? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be reading them all. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.